Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and today I'm going to talk to you about how we bolt these big cabinets to the walls, specifically what screws we're using now and why I like them so much. So I've been off for a while, haven't shared a lot of content. I'm going to be doing a lot more, so do me a favor. If you like this content, give me a like on the video, subscribe so you can get some new stuff. So these cabinets here, these are our garage cabinets. I've been installing these for about 26, 27 years. And one of the things that we do is we install them mounted to the wall, up off the floor with no legs. I know there's naysayers out there say we shouldn't do that. Don't interrupt the guys that are doing that. I've been doing it, like I said, for 25, 26 years and never had a failure because we build a really, really nice cabinet. Let me show you what we got. So as you can see here, we cut out around the plug here. The back of our cabinet is 3/4 inch thick, and then we put these big old screws through that back into the studs, into the, the 2x4 there to hold them. So this is the evolution of the screws that we've used. So in the very beginning, we were using these guys here. This is a 3.5 inch grabber style screw. I believe this is a number 10, might be a number 8, small head on it, similar to a sheetrock screw is what we found on these. The tensile strength just isn't there, and the head being small, that they would actually pull through. So I think we only did 1 or 2 jobs because we had to put like 10 screws in a cabinet, 20 screws in a cabinet to make it feel like we were actually working. So then we went to this guy here. This is from Quick Screw. It's a grabber screw, and you can see it's got a cutter head on there, and it's got let me see if we can get that. You can see that it's kind of got stepped threads on it. The problem with this screw, what I don't like about it, is you can see here, it has got a combo head on it. And the problem with the combo head is that you can use a Phillips or a square drive, and it doesn't work on any of them. Drives me nuts. We get drilling, and we're going 2.5 inches into a 2x4. It takes a lot of torque, and what had happened is the head would pop out of there and hit your cabinet, and you put a dent or a scratch in your cabinet, and I didn't like that. I've been looking for years for a solution, and we even tried using these guys here. This one, this is how strong these are. I had a magnet stuck to the bottom of the cart, and I was using this for a lever, and it bent. But without the washer on it, I didn't like how it drove into the wood and finished off. And then price-wise, it's actually kind of a pricey screw. So one day I'm going through one of the big box stores, and I find this guy right here, and this is my dream screw. Got a link for this in Amazon. This is where I found this to be. It's actually one of the few places I can find it. In the big box store, they come in a small box of 20, and they're about $1 a piece. But what it's got, it has a 3/8 inch hex head on it with a washer on it. So when you drill it in, it comes in flat. It has nice holding power. It's not going to pull through the back of your cabinet. The threads on here, let's see if I can get a good shot of this. The threads on here are super tall compared to other screws. There's a lot of thread on it, and the edge, I don't know if I can get a good picture of it, the edge of those things is kind of serrated. You can kind of see it right there. So in my guesstimation of force, this screw takes approximately 30% less force than this guy here to screw in, so it goes nice and easy. But the nice thing is with that hex head, it drops into a socket like that, and it never ever pops off the drill head and smashes into the back of the cabinet. So I really, really like them. This is what we use on our garage cabinets. It's a 1/4 inch by 3.5 inch screw, super, super strong. They come in Amazon in a box of 500, and I just ordered them. They're on sale right now at $100 for a box of that. That's about 20 cents a screw, so it's a pretty good deal. We liked them so much that we started using them. This is the screw that we were using to hang our steel rail for our closet. We went to using them here. The only downside of them in that position is the head is a little bit big, and if you've got it on an angle to hit a stud or something like that, it sticks up and hits your plastic coating. But those are the screws we use. I really, really like these. Like I said, there's a link for both of these off of Amazon. It's the only place that I could find them at a reasonable cost. There's a couple other suppliers that had them, but they were more expensive, charged shipping. Got a Prime membership, it comes to you nice and cheap. So check it out, like and subscribe to the video, and we'll see you on the next one.